Your Excellency, Ms. Marie Dumont, U.S. Ambassador to Fiji, Kiribati, Tonga, Tuvalu, and Nauru, Brigadier General Marie Kidd, and senior officials from Indo-PACOM, the Permanent Secretary for Environment and Climate Change in Fiji, members of the Vunuatu-Turanga Nandronga, distinguished participants, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, Nisam Gulbinaka, and welcome to Fiji. Let me first acknowledge the indigenous owners of the land that we are meeting on this morning, their elders, past, present, and emerging. Allow me to now thank our traditional owners and hosts in the Fijian vernacular. Ni Tisana Turanga, ni Vunuatu-Turanga na Kurwarua, nasa vale una ve kindawa kina matalipua, merona ni mami gulangi, rayada suku mai nambongi. Nasa vale una ve vangalataki, na vale una ve tingomi, ena kena solisatio na ngalala, me mai vadori no ninteleni abu, na pose na ve tinasik katumai. Sani mai masu, moni kalongan sa chibo, na Vunuatu-Turanga no Kurwarua. Ladies and gentlemen, I would also like to extend a special Gulbinaka to our visitors from overseas. I hope your journey to our shores has been a smooth one, and I hope you enjoy your stay over the next few days. I was advised this morning that the furthest participant came all the way from Mongolia, and I would like to acknowledge his or her presence here this morning. Ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed a privilege and great pleasure to be here this morning to welcome you all on behalf of the government and people of Fiji. The nexus between environment and security is no doubt the umbilical cord to a sustainable, safe, and secure society. Without a sustainable environment that is secure, there cannot be a sustainable future. Unfortunately, here in Fiji, and indeed the Pacific and around the globe, we face many challenges to our desire for a sustainable future. We acknowledge these challenges, and the participation of the government of Fiji with the United States government to co-host this forum demonstrate our shared commitment to not only address the many challenges to sustainable development, but to also share our broad understanding of security as it is articulated in the Board Declaration of 2018. It also demonstrates our shared commitment to collaborate and find evidence-based solutions to shared environmental challenges. The growing and cascading effects of climate change will no doubt continue to impact Fiji and the Pacific region, both nationally and regionally, in a complex and sometimes unpredictable way. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm hoping that the subject matter experts that I see sitting in the room this morning will be able to share some of their experiences so that we may learn from each other and perhaps find out what can be done in partnership with each other to address the challenges that we face. With those few words, I again welcome you all to Fiji, and I look forward to the outcomes of the forum on Friday afternoon. Pinasa Valibu.